Hello everyone, MH Trains here. Welcome today on the 15th of March to Tamworth, located on the West Coast Main Line, where you will be seeing services by Avanti West Coast, Cross Country and London North Western Railway. A double set of 350/3s brought me in from, well, there you go.
It's a bit stressful because we're trying to get ready for 390-200.
Yeah, we have spotted the ride. Andrew, Ian and British Trains RBX joining us here today. Well, Railway 200, 390-016 or 390-200 will be due through shortly. If it was 200, imagine if it had 200 coaches.
Oh, imagine.
Well, departing on the higher level is the 1433 cross country service to Plymouth, I believe.
That's been delayed 1349 to Exeter St David's.
No, my mistake, that's owing to Exeter St David's. Calling at Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway and Exeter St David's. Trainers formed of...
Services are only going as far as Exeter today due to planned engineering works.
And that service will only be...
Just give me a minute. Just setting up my tripod.
Actually, I have a better idea. A lot of the train spotters that have been to Tamworth usually film from down there when they're on the low level.
Well, just stay down here for a bit, okay?
Right.
I'm going to see if I know those train spotters up at the other side. Just going to move this off. Read it on the 18th.
Well, there will be a very special train spot coming up in a few weeks. Right, 390-200 is visible in the distance. Visible in the distance is 390-200. It's 390-200. Come on, please give us a tone. Yeah! 390-016. Or 390-200. That's actually named Railway 200 for the Railway 200 celebrations this year. And that's going from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. And just arrived in is the 1445 cross country service to Bristol to Exeter St David's. It's 220-021. Yeah, 220-021. Calling at Cornet, Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway and Exeter St David's. This train has formed of 4 coaches.
This unit is 220-021.
Yeah, good old, yeah, typical worn down cross country voyage.
So good.
And I did notice the difference between cross country voyages and Avanti and ex-Avanti voyages.
Guards over here, moved over.
Hey, boys! 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 Let's move up to try and get a tone. Let's hope this one gives us a tone. There's the rumble. Thank you. Safe journey. So 20021 Rainer North to Exeter St David's. Next stop will be Birmingham New Street. Right, we have a Pendo now.
I did see something.
We have a Pendo now, according to British Trains RBX.
I could be wrong. I saw something.
And by the way, you now have my permission to use my real name in my videos.
I have used your beauty name.
Yes, well, you now have permission to use my real name in your videos.
Well, I'm still gonna stick with YouTube. Oh.
Yeah, it's okay.
I saw the Panino. Is it slowing down? I saw something.
Well, if it is slowing down, let's move down to the low level.
I saw something. Come on, I'm not being subconscious.
Right. 170, 101, it's going to be passing through short. It's going to be arriving shortly.
Oh, 1503 to Cardiff Central.
Well, that was a waste. We've got more trains for us.
Oh my goodness, is this 17101?
It is!
Yes!
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 Come on!
It's not stopping.
It will stop, Andrew.
The 1503 is going to be refurbished 170 for the very first time in the video.
It stops at Birmingham New Street. I really wish I could hop on it.
It's 17101.
Show it, let's see.
Is it showing it in its new livery?
No, it's not. But it is going to be new livery
Where's
anyway. I say, see it?
The train now around into platform 4 is the 1503 cross-country service to Nottingham.
Here we go, Dad. The
Calling at Burstall Trent, Derby, Long Eaton, Beeston and Nottingham. This train is for the 3 coaches and it is 170 101.
Calling at Birmingham New Street, University, Worcestershire.
Oh my gosh.
Spa, Gloucester, Lydney, Chepstow, Newport and Cardiff Central.
Train.
3 coaches, it's the newly liveried cross-country Turbo Star. 170 101.
101.
Oh, look at this.
The red train.
Look at this.
Right, I need to see the interior.
Oh my gosh. Come on, let's have a look at the interior before it departs.
Yeah, that looks gorgeous. That is amazing.
Wow. Cross country, I am impressed.
We are impressed.
Okay, driver's unfortunately not going to give us a horn this
It's
time,
okay.
I'm afraid.
Thank you.
Say,
First time we've seen this livery, so it's
Crap stuff.
Which one?
Absolutely crap stuff.
Is it?
yeah, but that's
Paint job doesn't do it, doesn't cure everything.
yeah, but to
But
be
here you are, 170 101. Keep behind the other line because we're
What's that?
No, this is gonna be so fire.
170 101.
to be honest though, I really think I really think the train's onto with a new livery and they're finally getting one.
It needs more than a repaint, it
They-
needs scrapping.
They don't need scrapping. I think you're referring to Paces.
This one's scrapping.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah, replace him with God knows how many Stadler flirts. Oh God,
Not 755 to get death.
oh God knows how many Stadler flirts.
Good to go, we're not getting on.
Not getting on.
But it gives us time to have a...
What do you prefer, Voyagers?
Voyagers any day.
Any day.
To be honest, I agree with you. But I
yeah,
just
same.
loved it. I just love this new turbo style.
Well, I love this difference.
Just look at these trains. Oh my gosh. What do you think of the new livery, mate?
We're just waiting until it actually reaches 1403.
Hi, Spotland. Hi, Spotland.
How are you doing?
Hi,
Here we
Spotland.
go then. Train ready to leave.
Oh, right. 170, 101 to depart for Cardiff Central. Corner at Burlington New Street. Transport, Gloucester. Worcester Parkway. I know Chepstow, but I think there was someone somewhere else. 170, 101. Running off to Cardiff Central. Next stop will be Birmingham New Street. Look at that! The train now arriving into platform. Train now arriving into platform 2. No, I think this is platform 1. Is the 50. I know. 353.74 and 353.68.
Wheelchair are coming off.
Yeah. Tell them.
We're just going to record from the back, I think, this time. Yeah?
Well, let's see if we have time to move up to the front. Mate, staff members at the station are so damn rude. So damn rude. Right. 353.74 and 353.68. To leave now for Crewe. Next stop will be Lichfield Trent Valley. There's the big bus. And there's the Ning. Thank you, safe journey! Right, off those two go. Foot through. Next stop will be Lichfield Trent Valley. Right. Passing through now, we have a Pendolino owing, an Avanti West Coast Pendolino owing from London Euston to Glasgow Central. Pendolino! 319,104.
Yeah, the wind.
Passing through now, we have an Avanti West Coast Avero.
No, it's a freight train.
Oh, never mind, it's a freight. 60055. Two 350s on the fast line for a change. 350-108 and 350-101. Going from Crewe to Rugby. And 390-050. And the train just arrived into platform 2 is the 1556 London North Western Railway service to Rugby via Nuneaton, calling at Atherstone, Nuneaton and Rugby. This train is formed at 8 coaches. Passengers for Atherstone must board the front 4 coaches only. But these days I'm not today. Yeah, there's the big buzz, and there's the thing. Well, it's 352.46 -2s, unfortunately. That one's lost its sideburns. And 352.41, which still has its sideburns. So that's 352.46 and 352.41, railing off to Rugby. Next stop will be Atherstone. The train now arriving into platform 4 is the 1603 cross country service to Cardiff Central via Gloucester, pulling at New Street, University, Worcester Parkway, Gloucester, Newburgh, Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches. It's 170-117.
We've been off for a little while due to some sort of customer incident in the train station, but we are back live now and everything is now sorted.
And 170-115 is on the rear. Hey, rear 170-115.
Yeah, we've got 117 and 115. 2 boring, 2-car serving stuff.
Well, soon enough they'll all be in the new livery. And new interior as well.
17101 today. I do apologise for the big jump forward in time for these trains. There's been a customer incident at Tamworth this afternoon, which has led to an evacuation of the station. So yeah, it's all been
Your stamps up, your rubber stops on the line.
Here comes the smoke.
There's the smoke. Here comes the smoke. There it is.
Thank you.
Thank you, safe journey.
.170 version of a gun.
Well, there.
And then 170, 115.
And the train to include this completion now, arriving into platform 1 is the 1611 London North Western Railway service to Crewe via Stafford, calling at Lichfield Trent Valley, Rugeley Trent Valley, Stafford and Crewe. This train is formed of 8 coaches.
Looks like we're not in a -2, thankfully.
Passengers for Rugeley Trent Valley must board the front 4 coaches due to the short platform at this station.
And there's Amy for you. My nightmare. And this video, yes, will conclude today's completion here at Tamworth. I do apologise as well if I do apologise as well, actually, for that glitch, unfortunately. Hey, we're in 3:51:01 to get back to Lichfield.
Right. Shall we up in 108 this time?
Yeah, let's stop in 108. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I do apologise as well for the big cut out in time. Yes, it's been a good day overall. We shall now see you from Lichfield, Trent Valley and Lichfield City tomorrow. Take care, guys.
Right. So, as we're about to get on this train now, me and Spotted the Robber will be back at Lichfield, Trent Valley and Lichfield City tomorrow. I'm gonna board this train and get on my way back to Hitrove. Well,
The next stop will be Lichfield, Trent Valley.
As we board this train, this has been me, MH Trains. Remember to like and subscribe. Well everyone, you've made it to the end of the video, but that doesn't mean the fun all ends here. Please consider becoming a member of the Spot Gang by subscribing to this channel right now. So from me, that's MH Trains, remember to like and subscribe.